Hey guys, welcome in this channel. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss about CSS in ReactJs. So normally for component styling we have a different way to put this style on component. So the one of the most famous way is just use .css. Another one we can use line styling. Also you can say this inline styling. Another one we have a less and sass. Also we can use JavaScript. Different we have a styling component, so we can use this. Also we have the style component. I would suggest to use this style component because this is very good component. You can use from npm. Okay guys, so we'll use this in future videos, but for a time being, just for a good demonstration, I'm going to use this styling and this line styling only here in this video. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to make the style component here. A styled compo.js. So in this, basically I'm going to make h1 tag, CSS component. So I'm going to make another one, my style.css file. So in this, basically the text color, I'm going to make it. So let's say the color will be this blue, correct? Okay. So in this style component, I'm going to use the class name and the name of the class is text color, this, and I want to import the styling as well, my style.css. I can see on the browser. Okay, something is not good in this. Okay, so we need to import also. So we need to import our style component in this. So just use style component, import style component from the style component, right? Okay, import is not a body module. App.js 25. Okay, just remove this and you can see here we have the main component app.js. In this we have the style component, and in this component, this is a functional, this is a class component. In this we have, you can see here, this is the h1 tag. In this h1 tag I'm just putting the class name, text color, and this is my normal CSS file. Okay, so now I'm going to make the inline styling. So let's say this is my inline styling. I'm going to make this style in two curly braces, and the color will be like green here. You can see here. Now I'm going to give you good information. We have normal CSS file .css, and also we have, if you don't know, like we have module.css. So we have two things. So what is the basic difference between the .css and .module.css? I will explain you in this example, but I'm going to make an example firstly. So I'm going to make another CSS file, my style.module.css. Okay, so the file is already here, right? So this is my style.module.css. So you can see we have the my style.css and we have the my style.module.css. So I'm going to make the different color here. Let's say let's say red, or you can say brown, right? Brown. So we have the my style.module.css. We have the color is brown, and inside the my style file we have the color is blue. So you can see here we have module CSS component. So I'm going to get the class name, okay, and I'm going to import my module CSS. Import styles from my style dot module dot css, correct? And I'm going to use my style dot this text color. I can see this is the brown rig, right? So I'm getting all three colors, and you can see here the difference between the normal CSS file and dot style. And you can see this is style, right? We have the module CSS file. So difference you can see here importing. So the main difference between the style the module.css and the normal css is this has the global effect, right? So if you will import any element in the child, so you can use these these styling properties, right? But if you will use this in parent, and if you want to access the property of this styling in child component, then element will not be able to use these inside property of this style. Okay, so this has basically local scope, okay, and this has a global scope. Okay, now we have left only one thing. Suppose that I want to change the color dynamically, then what you will do? So I will make a check here, const like props, this or props, this or props. So let's say I have this component. I want to make the primary color. I want to change the primary color on the basis of the prop. So I'm going to give you a color prop as a prop here, right? So I'm going to give you a color as well. So if I'm saying like primary, so it will be like this blue and brown color. If I will pass the normal string, or I will not pass anything here, so the black color will be appear. So so this dot prop, I'm basically doing what? I'm accessing this color props. Okay, so need to do this here. Okay, so color prop, I'm going to access this key from my props, right? So I'm going to give you, okay, so I'm going to pass the color prop here only. pass here. Okay, like this. So I'm going to check here. Here I'm going to check. Let's say color prop, right? So let's say I'm going to make another one. Name like color props, and if the color prop have like nothing here, then it mean I'm going to give the color will be like okay. So basically I'm doing what, if I don't get anything here, anything from the prop, then I will leave as like this. And if I will like okay, so I'll pass here this text color, correct? Okay, now I'm going to pass this here. Okay, the same thing I'm passing here. Let's just check yo. I can see I'm getting this CSS component as a blue. Okay, and other you can see here I'm getting black and black. Why? Because of this color is will be not adjusted well, digestible by this color, because this is not a color, right? And this is not a color. So basically if I can check, I can make a check like this here, like I will get the text color. If I will get this value as a text color, then I will make the different color. But for time being, let I just remove this, and you can see here we're getting the black, we're getting the blue, right? And if I'll not pass anything here, like I will not pass anything here, you can see I'm getting the black color, right? So this is the power of, you know, prop. And also we have used .css and .module.css. I hope you are satisfying with this. And now you can see here yeah, so in this you can see here this is the modules.css file, right? So in this you can see here whenever I'm passing is in this, color prop name text color. So this is not accessing because this has the local access only, no? Okay, so guys, I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.